Dimension 2EW herbicide is a non-staining selective pre-emergent herbicide that can be sprayed on turf, over the top of field and container-grown landscape, and nursery ornamentals. Dimension prevents the growth of grassy weeds like crabgrass, Dallas grass, goosegrass, ryegrass, annual and perennial, and sandburrs. Dimension also prevents many broadleaf weeds like bittercrest, carpetweed, chickweed, henbit, purslane, and wood sorrel. Dimension also provides early post-emergent control of crabgrass. To prepare Dimension 2EW for spraying, fill your tank half full of water and add in between 0.28 to 0.73 ounces, depending on suggested rate for your target weed or grass. Next, add into the tank the suggested rate per the product label of whichever surfactant you're using. Fill up the rest of the tank with water and you're ready to spray. Dimension comes in two sizes, half gallon and 2.5 gallon jugs. Half a gallon of Dimension will treat 2 to 4 acres, and the 2.5 gallon jug will treat 10 to 20 acres. Use 0.4 to 0.7 ounces of Dimension per 1,000 square feet, or 1 to 2 pints per acre. When using Dimension 2EW, it's important to use a non-ionic surfactant to increase control, stick, and efficacy of the product with each application. With a pre-emergent product, it's all about proper timing to get full control over your target weeds. Refer to the product label for application rates and pre-emergent application timing. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.